MeasureSquare is excited to announce our new integration with StoneApp. Eliminate double entry by exporting your MeasureSquare takeoffs directly into your StoneApp quotes, streamlining and simplifying the handoff process from estimating to project management. In this video, we will show you how the integration between MeasureSquare and StoneApp works and walk you through the steps to get the most out of that process. When we get started with a new project in MeasureSquare, we will first jump to the Project Info tab. Here we can enter in customer and job site information, critical start dates, as well as notes. All of these details will be able to be brought into StoneApp when we export later. The tags in MeasureSquare have always been very powerful, allowing us to create breakouts and breakdowns within the project. Now with the integration with StoneApp, we can actually utilize these tags and bring that same grouping over to our StoneApp quotes. When we look to tag a project, we want to look for tag 2 for the StoneApp grouping. StoneApp utilizes tag 2 to group all of our pieces within their quoting system. We can access the system settings and navigate to the takeoff tab to adjust and set the default name for this tag 2. Here I will call this SA grouping to remind myself that this is the tag we want to use to create our groups within StoneApp. When I hit save, this tag 2 name will be saved for all of my future projects. You'll notice in this project, I'm using tag 1 to identify the room type. But tag 2 in this project identifies which unit I'm specifying. To export this takeoff to StoneApp, we are first going to make sure we save our project, and then we can click on the File tab. We're going to come down to Export and export the JSON file. This JSON file will be imported back into StoneApp to create our quote. Once we have our exported MeasureSquare takeoff file, we can simply come to StoneApp and click on this Import MeasureSquare button. Here we will find our JSON file, select it, click Open, and now StoneApp will load the MeasureSquare takeoff file directly into our quotes. As StoneApp loads the project file, we can see all of our tabs at the top. Below that, we can see each material used, any pieces we've created, edge details, sink cutouts, fabrication labor, and any notes or tags we've added to our project as well. As you can see, the workflow between MeasureSquare Stone and StoneApp is very easy and is designed to save you and your team valuable time. Reach out to Kathy at MeasureSquare today to schedule a demo and get started with a free trial.